Top 15 foods to clean your arteries and prevent heart attacks. Starting off with green tea. Simple, but seriously powerful. Green tea is loaded with antioxidants, especially catechins. These help prevent cholesterol from sticking to your artery walls. Because here's the thing, when cholesterol sticks and hardens, that's plaque. And plaque is what clogs your arteries. Drink green tea regularly, and you're less likely to build up those sticky blockages. Your blood flows smoother, your heart works easier. Want an easy switch? Ditch the sugary drinks. Go for green tea instead. Hot or iced. Add a squeeze of lemon for extra antioxidants. Next, turmeric. This golden spice does way more than brighten your plate. The star compound here is curcumin, a natural anti-inflammatory that helps soothe your blood vessels and keeps them flexible, not stiff or swollen. It also works to stop plaque from forming in the first place by fighting off oxidative stress and keeping bad cholesterol from sticking around. Another bonus? Turmeric helps maintain the inner lining of your arteries, called the endothelium. When that lining stays smooth and strong, your blood pressure stays steady and your heart doesn't have to work as hard. So how do you get more of it? Stir turmeric into soups, stews, and curries. Sprinkle it on scrambled eggs, blend it into smoothies, or make a warm mug of golden milk. Just mix it with coconut milk, a pinch of cinnamon. And don't skip the black pepper. It boosts curcumin absorption by up to 2,000%. Moving on, dark chocolate. Yes, you heard that right. Chocolate can help your heart, but only if you choose the right kind. We're talking dark chocolate with at least 70% cocoa or more. That's where the good stuff lives, specifically flavonoids, a type of antioxidant. These compounds help relax blood vessels, improve circulation, and even lower blood pressure over time. The key is moderation. A square or two a few times a week is enough to get the heart-healthy benefits, without the extra sugar or calories that come with milk chocolate or candy bars. Want to make it even better? Pair your dark chocolate with a handful of almonds or fresh berries. You'll get a dose of fiber, healthy fats, and even more antioxidants in the mix. Just skip anything labeled milk chocolate, white chocolate, or loaded with caramel and nougat. Those versions cancel out the benefits and spike your blood sugar. Stick with the dark, rich, slightly bitter kind. Next, pomegranates. These bright red seeds aren't just pretty, they're little heart protectors. Pomegranates are packed with potent antioxidants, especially one called punicalagin. This compound fights inflammation, protects your artery walls from oxidative damage, and helps keep your blood vessels flexible and strong. What's even more exciting? Some studies suggest that pomegranate juice may help reduce plaque buildup and improve blood flow in arteries, especially those leading to the heart. In one small clinical trial, patients with carotid artery blockages saw improved blood flow after drinking just 1 ounce of pomegranate juice daily over several months. That's a big deal when it comes to preventing heart attacks. To get these benefits, you don't need much. Just a small glass of unsweetened pomegranate juice once or twice a week can go a long way. Or sprinkle the seeds over your salad, blend them into smoothies, or eat them by the spoonful as a refreshing, tangy snack. They're tart, juicy, and one of the most heart-smart fruits you can eat. Now, flaxseeds. Tiny, but seriously mighty. These little seeds pack a powerful punch when it comes to heart health. They're rich in plant-based omega-3 fatty acids, especially alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, which helps lower inflammation in your arteries and reduces the risk of plaque formation. They're also full of soluble fiber, the kind that grabs onto excess cholesterol and helps your body flush it out before it ever has the chance to stick to your artery walls. Regularly adding flax seeds to your diet may also help regulate blood pressure, lower LDL, bad cholesterol, and keep your blood vessels nice and flexible. But here's the key: grind them first. Whole flax seeds pass right through you. Your body can't absorb all those heart-healthy nutrients unless they're ground. So grab some ground flaxseed and add a spoonful to your smoothies, stir into your oatmeal, bake into muffins, or whisk into salad dressings for a nutty, subtle boost. You won't even taste them. Next up, avocados. Creamy, rich, and heart-friendly. Avocados are packed with monounsaturated fats, the kind that helps lower LDL cholesterol, while raising HDL cholesterol. That's a win-win for your arteries. They're also loaded with potassium, even more than bananas, which helps relax blood vessels and naturally balance blood pressure. But it doesn't stop there. Avocados bring fiber, folate, and antioxidants to the table too, all working together to reduce inflammation and keep your arteries flexible and clear. So how do you eat more of them? Add slices to whole grain toast, blend into smoothies for a creamy texture boost, toss cubes into salads or grain bowls, or mash with lemon and garlic for an easy homemade guacamole. It's satisfying, versatile, and protective all at once. Heart-healthy eating doesn't get much tastier than this. Next, we have berries. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries. Whatever you've got, they're all heart heroes. Berries are rich in anthocyanins, the natural compounds that give them their deep, vibrant colors. But they don't just look pretty. These antioxidants fight the inflammation that leads to clogged arteries and protect the delicate lining of your blood vessels. They're also packed with soluble fiber, which helps lower LDL cholesterol by carrying it out of the body before it can settle in your arteries. Plus, berries are naturally low in sugar compared to most fruits, so you get the sweet flavor without the blood sugar spike. Enjoy them fresh or frozen. Blend them into a smoothie, stir into your oatmeal or yogurt, or just snack on a handful straight from the bowl. Now, fatty fish, salmon, sardines, mackerel. These are full of omega-3s, which help lower triglycerides, reduce inflammation, and prevent the blood from getting too sticky. Sticky blood means more clots and more plaque. Try grilling or baking fish a couple times a week. If you don't like the taste, try fish oil capsules, but always check with your doctor first. Next, leafy greens. Spinach, kale, chard, rocket. They're full of nitrates that help blood vessels relax and antioxidants that protect your artery walls. They also have vitamin K, which keeps calcium from building up in your arteries like cement. Use them as a base for salads, blend them into smoothies, or saute them with garlic and olive oil. Now, nuts. Almonds, walnuts, and pistachios. They've got healthy fats, plant sterols, and fiber, all working together to reduce bad cholesterol and prevent inflammation inside the blood vessels. Just a small handful a day is enough. Raw or dry roasted is best. Just skip the ones coated in sugar or salt. Next, garlic. When garlic is chopped or crushed, it releases a compound called allicin. This helps relax blood vessels, reduce blood pressure, and lower cholesterol. You can use it raw for the strongest effect or cook it into meals every day, and if the taste is too strong. Garlic capsules are a solid backup. Now, extra virgin olive oil. This one's a staple in the Mediterranean diet, and for good reason. It's rich in monounsaturated fats, which help lower bad cholesterol and raise the good kind. But what really sets it apart is its antioxidant content, especially polyphenols. These compounds protect your blood vessels and help prevent LDL cholesterol from oxidizing, a critical step in stopping plaque from forming on your artery walls. It's also naturally anti-inflammatory, helping calm the lining of your arteries so blood can flow smoothly and freely. It's easy to use and easy to love. Drizzle it over leafy green salads. Dip crusty whole grain bread in it. Saute your veggies, roast your potatoes, or even blend it into dressings and dips. Just make sure you're buying extra virgin. That's the least processed form and the one with the most benefits. Next, beets. These red roots are full of nitrates, which convert into nitric oxide in your body, and that helps blood vessels expand, improving circulation and lowering pressure. They're also anti-inflammatory and rich in antioxidants that protect your artery walls. Slice them into salads, roast them, or juice them with lemon and ginger. A few servings a week can make a big difference. Now, chia seeds. Another tiny powerhouse, chia seeds are full of omega-3s, fiber, and antioxidants. They help lower cholesterol, regulate blood sugar, and keep your blood vessels supple. Mix them into oatmeal. Make chia pudding or sprinkle on top of yogurt. They absorb water so they keep you full while they support your arteries. And finally, lentils. These humble legumes are packed with plant protein and soluble fiber that helps reduce LDL cholesterol and stabilize blood sugar, both of which matter for heart health. Lentils also contain potassium and magnesium, which relaxes your blood vessels and help lower blood pressure naturally. Cook them into soups, stir into curries, or use them as a base for veggie burgers. And that wraps up our list: 15 everyday foods that clean your arteries, reduce inflammation, and support a healthy, steady heartbeat. No extreme diets, no expensive pills, just real food that works with your body to protect your heart. So, how many of these are already in your kitchen? And which one are you going to try this week? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this, tap the like button, subscribe for more natural health tips, and hit the super thanks if you'd like to support the channel. Stay strong, stay heart smart, and we'll see you in the next one.